Hey everyone! So today I'm just going to be showing you two super simple drawing exercises that are perfect for relieving some anxiety. This is great to just do during work or school or anytime you just have 2 seconds you want to just scribble something out and kind of get out some anxious energy. Super simple. All you'll need is a sketchbook or any paper and a pen. I'm just using a plain Sharpie fine tip pen. And I'll just show you what it looks like. The first exercise ends up looking like this, and it's really clean but super simple. And the second one's a little bit more free form and comes out to look kind of cool. And the goal here is to try to not be a perfectionist and just go with the flow. It's been super helpful for me, and I hope that it helps you as well.
For this exercise, all you need to do is drag your pen across the page to create a variety of straight lines. This should include lines going in every direction until you fill up the entire page. Once the entire page is filled, you'll be left with some triangular and rectangular shapes. Then all you're going to do is go into those shapes and fill them in with more smaller lines that all go in the same direction until each of the shapes are filled. For other variations, you can try playing around with thick and thin lines as well as other colors or mediums. Alright, so by now you can probably see what I'm doing, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up and meet you at the end of the clip. For this exercise, start by filling the page with a bunch of fluid, squiggly lines. Once you have a few lines on the page, you can then start connecting those squiggly lines with other lines so that it makes a closed shape. From there, all you do is fill each shape with curved lines going in the same direction. Remember, this doesn't have to be neat and perfect. The goal is to doodle without thinking too much about it. Eventually, your page will be filled entirely with squiggly lines. From there, you can go over some lines to make them thicker, as well as add shading where the lines connect to give it a more three-dimensional look. Once all the shapes are filled out, you're left with a pretty cool looking design. I hope these drawing exercises help you relieve some anxiety, and thank you so much for watching.